The Panasonic washing machine error code U11 indicates a malfunction in the appliance's drainage system, meaning the drainage is limited and hindering its normal operation since dirty laundry water cannot be efficiently disposed of. This error code is typically caused by a variety of issues, including a squashed, constricted, or clogged drain hose, which reduces the conduit's cross-sectional area and results in limited flow. Similarly, a hook drain pipe or one that is elevated more than 10 centimeters can also limit drainage and cause the error. Additionally, if the drain hose tip is submerged in water, the machine may interpret this as compromised drainage and present the error. Furthermore, using a very long drainage hose, typically longer than 3 meters, can also trigger the U11 error code. To resolve the issue, several solutions can be applied. Unclogging or unrestricting the drain hose can solve the error code caused by a reduced drain conduit. This involves removing any weight that may be squashing the hose, unclogging it, and rinsing it thoroughly. Leveling the drain hose is also effective, especially if the error code resulted from an incorrect position of the hose. This can be achieved by removing any objects beneath the hose, channeling it along a flat surface to the external drainage point, and then submerging the drain hose tip. If a submerged drain hose tip is the cause of the error, removing it from underwater may be effective. To do this, lift the submerged hose tip from the water surface, taking care not to overlift and cause the drain to flow back. Finally, using a shorter drain hose can resolve the issue if the hose is too long. This involves unscrewing the drainage pipe from the appliance, measuring and cutting a suitable hose length of less than 3 meters, and then screwing the shorter hose pipe back into place, taking care not to over-reduce the hose length. By implementing these solutions, the U11 error code can be effectively addressed and resolved.